You sign up for something sketchy, free trial, a download, or maybe a crypto wallet. And now your inbox is doomed. But don't worry, 10box is here to help you. 10box give you one-time email you can use and forget. No account, no spam, no strings. First, open the app, then click New Address, tap on address name, and name your email address whatever you want. Then come to address and turn on Use Random Address. Also on password, use random password. Click Create, and just like that, you got an email. And now if you want to sign up for something, you come and click here, copy your email and your password and use it there. But you only have maximal of 40 MBs for any email you create. Now anytime you sign up with this email from any website, you will get it here like this. And click to get what you want, links, template or anything. Download it. It's like ghost mode in your inbox. And because your real email deserves better than congratulations, now you just have to like the video. You are downloading a massive file, only to come back and your MacBook is asleep. But amphetamine got your back. Amphetamine keep your MacBook awake exactly when and how you want it. Set up a timer for app or specific tasks and boom, no more sleep mode disaster. But you can also link it with a specific app like Final Cut or Safari, so it only active when those apps are running. Simple, light and fully customizable. It's like an energy drink for your MacBook, minus the crash. You have got 10 apps open, and clicking between them is a nightmare. But don't worry, Launchy got your back. Launchy is a supercharged app switcher that turns chaos into clarity.
Talo. Sorry.
Launchy is a spotlight-style launcher that shows you everything organized and fast. First, open the app, tap on Wheel Launcher. Here you can add in your app like this, or come to display mode and choose running apps. These are all apps that are running. And also, if you scroll down, you can customize it here. Go back and tap on General. You can set up your shortcut. My shortcut is set to Command Option. If I tap it, it showed up. But it's not just app. It also finds browser tab, docs, and file faster than Spotlight. Look, you are constantly opening ChatGPT, Gmail, or YouTube, and your tab bar look like Times Square. But don't worry, with Minibar X pin any website right to your MacBook menu bar like a native app. Now you can search everything on ChatGPT or Google here. Or if you are bored, you can play game like this and this. And it also integrates well with YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, or Instagram. And you can scroll on TikTok here. You can use all of these apps. You can auto refresh tab, lock windows, or pin multiple sites at once. Yes, multiple ChatGPT if you are like me. So don't judge me, okay? Look, uploading big image, slow down, website, blogs, or email. But don't worry, Image Optum compress images like magic. Like magic.
Perfect.
Drag any image or file onto the app. It compresses it without losing quality. No visible quality loss, just faster load time. And give you a featherweight vision or lightweight.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But you can also convert photos or file from PNG to JPG or any one of these. Perfect for web upload, faster email, and clear storage if you don't want your MacBook to.
Stop it. Get some help.
And now your image just lost 40% of its weight. Don't ask how, just be happy. Look, I know your MacBook slowed down, and when you check storage, you see system data taking up 60 GB, but you have no clue what does that even mean. I don't even know, but
Ah, shit! Here you go again.
But don't worry, one cleaner got your back. One cleaner deep clean your Mac, remove hidden junk and duplicate file, and massive folder you forgot exists from 2015 or 16. I don't know when you bought your MacBook, but it look like the old generation one. So yeah, I got a new one, so that's why I'm breaking. Okay.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
It's like a detox for your hard drive. Open the app, click quick scan, let it find junk, duplicate, and bloated folders. You can choose what to delete, and boom, free storage. Wow. And you can also use it on external drive and free up RAM or RAM in real time. Your Mac deserves to feel clean, lean, and emotionally supported.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty, naughty.
Okay, next up, let's keep the glow up going. Hey, you, yeah. I heard that somebody borrowed your MacBook and your private file I guess there. Are you okay? They are private for reason, okay? Somebody can see them.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, let's be serious, okay? There's an app called F-Force. Here, I don't know, F-Force or F-Force. F-Force gives you a password protected file for anything you want to hide. Spicy candy, you know that, right? Drag file and lock them down with Face ID, and they are gone from Finder till you open file. Make sure they are gone from Finder till you open file. You can disguise your file icon to look like a calculator or 10 the app. I don't know why you're gonna have 10 the MacBook. Or system file, hidden, encrypted, and safe, just for your eyes. Look, that weird MacBook notch doesn't have to be a waste of space, right? But don't worry, notch bar got you. Notch bar turn the dead space around your notch into useful system stat. You can add widget like timer, calendar, or camera right into the bar. It also works perfectly with the airdrop, and you can drag file right there and keep them handy like a mini shelf. And also, it works well with Apple Music or Spotify, and that is why I like this app.
Okay.
Make the notch do something, because that is the only time you will actually appreciate the notch. Look, I know your menu bar is a mess. Every app icon is just hanging out. What is that, bro? But don't worry, hidden bar got you. Hidden bar hides the icon you don't need until you want them. You want them, okay? You don't need them until you want them. Click the divider icon to slide away and click again to bring them back. Drag item into hidden zone and boom, a cleaner MacBook. It's free, fast, and better than ever app out there, especially if you are simplistic. Clean a menu bar equal clean mind properly, but not for me because my mind is always messy.
Hi.
Okay.
Look, your MacBook can do a lot if you give it the right tool. Let me know in the comment which one are you trying first, and please don't forget to subscribe.